A very warm good morning, dear students. This is our first EVS class. So I am showing you your EVS book. This is your EVS book. The name of the book, it is A Happy World. Previous year also we had the same book. So if you are purchasing the old book, that is also okay. You can get the old book because this year the book is the same. Now we will be starting with the first chapter, that is our wonderful body. You all know the different body parts. This you have studied in the previous class also. Different body parts: head, eye, tongue, hand, fingers, stomach, leg. Yes, this body parts, this you can easily see. But there are some of the body organs which are present inside, which you cannot see, like heart, lungs, liver, kidney. These are present inside the body. These body organs you cannot see. So students, take out page number 4 of your EVS book. I will be reading. Our body works like a machine. Yes, our body works like a machine. We get up in the morning, then we get ready for our school, then we rush to the school. We do a lots of work. So our body, it works like a machine. It has many parts that do different things. These are the different body parts. Like from the hand, we do the different things by the hand. The leg, it is used for walking. Eye, from the eye we used to see. From the nose we smell. From the tongue we taste. Yes, we can see some parts of our body such as head, eye, ear, tongue, hands, leg. These body parts we can easily see. There are many parts or organs that are inside our body. We cannot see them. What are this body organs? Brain is present here. Heart it is present here. Lungs, stomach, these are present inside our body. So let us read about them. First is brain. Where is brain present? Here. The brain, it helps us to think. The brain, it helps us to do work. The head, it protects the brain. So let us write the function of the brain. The brain helps us to think. Brain help us to do work. Next we will be studying, that is about heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. The heart is one of the most important organs of our body. Heart, it is a very important organ of our body. It is present inside. We cannot see the heart. What is the function of the heart? It pumps blood. Here the heart is present. It pumps blood to all other parts of the body. Starting from your head to the toe, blood is there. If anywhere cut is made or injury is there, the blood, it comes out. What does it mean? That the blood is present everywhere. The heart, it pumps the blood to all other parts of the body. The heart beats with a sound like lub dub, lub dub. A doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to our heartbeat. Students, whenever you are ill, whenever you are having fever, you used to go to doctor. You have seen a doctor wearing stethoscope in the ear. He used to connect, and then a round shape is there that he used to place on your chest, and then the sound of the heart is heard. How the heart, it sounds like lub dub, lub dub. This is the heart sound. Next we will be studying about the lungs. Next step we will be studying, that is about the lungs. What is the spelling of the lungs? L-U-N-G-S. This is the lungs. We breathe through our lungs. How do we breathe? Through our lungs. They fill up with air when we breathe in. The lungs and the heart lie in the chest. Where the lungs and heart are present? Here in our chest. The lungs, this help us to breathe. And the last organ that we will be studying today will be the stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach, you all know, yes? Whenever you are hungry, you feel like your stomach is empty, yes? So the stomach is present below the chest. How do the stomach look? It look like a bag. I am drawing the diagram of the stomach. Stomach, it looks like a bag, like this. It looks like a bag. This is stomach. The stomach, how do it look like? The stomach, it look like a bag. The food we eat, it goes into the stomach. Whatever we eat, where do it go? It goes inside the stomach. The stomach helps us to digest that food. Whatever food that we eat, it goes inside the stomach. Then we feel that our stomach is full. Then we don't feel hungry. And the digestion of the food is done in stomach. So let us revise, students, what we have done today. Our wonderful body. Yes, our body is very wonderful. Different body parts are present. Some of the body parts we can easily see, but some of the body parts we cannot see. What we cannot see? Like heart, lungs, liver, kidney, brain. This all we cannot see. And what we can see, starting from here, head, eye, nose, tongue, your skin, your hand, legs. So this all the body parts, they are having different function. From the hand, I can lift the thing like I am lifting the duster from the hand. I can write using the hand. Yes, from the hand I can do different work. From the legs I used to walk. From the tongue I used to taste. From the eye I used to see. From the nose we smell. Yes. Then today what we have studied? We have studied about brain. Where the brain is present? Here. Heart and lungs are present in the chest, and last we have studied about the stomach. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day and God bless you all.